So far we have created two variables, that is TV and button, in the last lectures, and in this lecture I am going to add a click listener on our button variable. What a click listener basically does is it executes a set of statements whenever the click operation is performed on the button variable. To add a listener to our button variable, simply type button.setOnClickListener. This method takes parameter as view.onClickListener. Select onClickListener from this, and this onClick method is the main method which contains all the statements which are going to be executed whenever the button is clicked. And for an example, we are going to change the text of our text view to something else whenever the button is clicked. So I am simply typing here tv.setText to change the text of our text view. Say I am changing it to button click. Add a semicolon over here, as whole this is a single statement. In this setOnClickListener method, this view.onClickListener acts as a parameter. And to launch this file, simply click on the play button given over here, and an emulator will appear that is going to launch your application. It may take a while depending upon your system performance. And here is our application. It is our text view and this is our button, and whenever I click the button, the text of our text view changes to button click, that is we defined earlier in our onClick method. To take a brief overview of what we did in this lecture is we added a listener on our button by using the setOnClickListener method, and in this we give as parameter view.onClickListener, which contains a method onClick. In this we define our statement that is going to be executed whenever button is clicked, and here we are changing the text of our text view.